Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best grill covers on the market, the KitchenAid 7,891 gas grill cover. If you're looking to protect your grill investment from the elements, this might just be the perfect solution for you. Imagine this. You've just invested in a sleek KitchenAid grill, and you want to keep it in pristine condition for years to come. That's where a high-quality grill cover like this one comes into play. Let's talk about what makes this cover stand out. It's designed to fit grills up to 28 inches wide, 19 inches deep, and 44 inches high, which covers a wide range of KitchenAid grill models. Made from a durable polyester PVC blend, it offers robust protection against rain, snow, dust, and UV rays, ensuring your grill stays in top shape no matter the weather. One of the standout features is its secure fit. Equipped with Velcro straps, it's easy to fasten securely around your grill, preventing it from blowing away in strong winds. Plus, there's no assembly required, it's ready to use right out of the box. Imagine how easy it is to slip this cover over your KitchenAid grill. It effortlessly protects your investment, keeping it clean and ready for your next barbecue session. Whether you're grilling in the backyard or on a balcony, this cover ensures your grill remains in prime condition. In conclusion, the KitchenAid 7,891 gas grill cover is a must-have accessory for any KitchenAid grill owner who values durability, quality, and protection. With its thoughtful design and positive customer feedback, it's clear why this cover is a favorite among grill enthusiasts. If you're interested in learning more or getting your hands on one of these fantastic grill covers, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews, and leave a comment if you've used this cover yourself. We'd love to hear your thoughts.